We just got to the Magic Kingdom. We are here tonight to preview the brand new roller coaster TRON in Tomorrowland. It's been a long time coming. It's been in the works for years now, and it's finally opening on April 4th. So we are here tonight to preview it. We're going to meet up with our friends. We're gonna have fun at Magic Kingdom, and we're honestly gonna say goodbye to the 50th anniversary. It concludes at the end of this month. So let's go. Just walked in, and the Adventure Friends Cavalcade is making its way down Main Street. So we figured we'd stop and watch it. That Cavalcade because it's rare characters.
It is.
Like Moana and Pocahontas. Yes. Judy Hopps, Nick Wilde. Oh, Miguel from Coco. So I like that one. We are now in Tomorrowland. We are going to meet up with our friends, Disgolls. They are our really good friends. They are in our vlogs all the time, but we're doing the TRON preview with them, so we're so excited to see them and spend time with them. Great! Hello! We found our crew. Oh, we're in line.
6, 7, 5:30 or 5. Oh my God!
Yes, Jen secured our preview for us. She's the best. Oh my gosh! All right, hello! We made it! Haven't seen a light cycle come by in a while, but we are waiting in line to take a picture. I'd like to see one come by. I don't know what's going on.
That was the best.
It'll be cool though when it gets darker to see it light up at night. That, I think it's going to be really fun to ride this at night. We just missed one go by, but that's a good sign. They're finally coming around. It took forever for that light cycle to go through.
I waited for a long time. They never showed up.
Officially in the grid. There's the castle. Jen's getting a picture. That's a great shot, Jen. That's so cool. What? Oh my God, yes. It's about 6:30. It's starting to get dark, so I think we're gonna go ahead and ride the ride. Let's ride. Let's go get on our light cycle. We are officially in line now, so we were kind of just walking around, checking out the grid, checking out the like cover thing. and watching the light cycle go by and getting some pictures and videos. But now we are actually in line. We're gonna go ride.
TRON Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. Users be warned. The Lightcycle Run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. Prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Team Blue, welcome to the Grand Prestige Games.
Holy crap. Really cool.
Me too. I think they were supposed to.
In the light cycle run, there are winners and there are losers. Who are you?
So we just got into the locker area. Anything bigger than a cell phone will need to go in the locker, yeah. And then actually on the light cycle, they have a little compartment where you can put phone or anything else. So scan the band.
358. There we go.
Okay, go ahead and put in the backpack, please.
Okay.
And this is bye for now.
See you soon.
We will see you after the ride.
After the ride.
So much so we were trying to avoid it on the weekend. Yeah, we won't do that.
They might not let us because it's on the 7th. I just had to get on that. And I would like to take
All right, you ready?
Let's do it.
Just sharing our thoughts. What were you saying?
I liked it. I felt like I found a good position when I got locked in. And so I felt like it was a lot of fun, a good launch.
Yeah.
It was a fun ride.
Yes, the launch was definitely the best at the very beginning. It is like a short and quick, like fast, fun ride, but it's a little bit longer than I anticipated. I didn't have like super high expectations. I avoided most spoilers. I've seen the Shanghai POV like a long time ago. So, oh, it just went by. But the only thing was that I was not in like the best position. I was slightly uncomfortable, but it was fine. Like I still had a good time, enjoyed the ride. But next time, now that I've done it, I think I'll have a better idea of how to position myself in like the motorcycle, light cycle ride vehicle. Everything is dark now. It's, oh my gosh, this is so cool with Space Mountain. Everything lit up. Yes, the line got really long. Everyone wants to ride at night. I can see why. I mean, it's super cool. It's rare that it turns orange. That's when Team Orange wins, right, Jen? Oh my gosh, they must have really won. That's cool. That would be so fun to be riding it when it turns orange. That's awesome. We are at the hotel. We are staying at All-Star Sports tonight, one of the value hotels. But we're so tired right now, and after we rode Tron, we forgot to end the vlog and didn't really film too much else. It was kind of busy at the park. We were just hanging out with our friends, but we ended up riding Pirates, and then we thought about staying for the fireworks, but it was just so busy. So we took the boat back to the Grand Floridian where our car was, and we saw the fireworks from the boat ride. And then we actually ended up watching the rest from the Grand Floridian, and then we also watched the electrical water pageant. So that was our last time watching Enchantment. This was kind of wrapping up our 50th anniversary season, which was a long one. And anyways, back to Tron. I thought it was great.
Yeah.
I want to ride it again because it goes by so fast, and it's hard to take it all in on that first initial ride because it's just a quick roller coaster. So I'm looking forward to the next time. I was a tiny bit uncomfortable in the Lightcycle motorbike, whatever you want to call it. I was a tad bit uncomfortable. So I feel like now that I have rode it once, hopefully I can situate myself a little bit better next time. But that ride opens on April 4th, and it will be available with a virtual queue, which is no cost and can be booked at 7 a.m. or 1 p.m. on the My Disney Experience app, or it can be purchased for individual Lightning Lane, also on the app, and that pricing will be variable. If you have questions, please comment below or reach out. I will leave my travel agent information and everything in the description. So please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Good night.
Good night.